up, and we're not on them last, and today we are at the Brecon Beacons in Wales. I'm so excited. We're going to go and see the 4 waterfall walk. It's going to be amazing and I can't wait. Let's go. Oh yeah, and a massive shout out to Addy for recommending this place to me quite a lot of times, so yeah. Yeah. So we've got a nice few signs here. There's actually not much service here, so we're gonna have to try and blag the walk today. My delivery's just arrived in the car park. Yeah, this car park has 8 spaces, so it's quite a small car park, so get here early. We're here on a Friday morning, so not many cars here today, just me and another Seat. Yes. Just to let you all know that there is another car park you can park at, but this saves you 2 miles off the walk. Yeah, and it's free as well, so you can't go wrong. Yeah, I'll put the postcode in the description box so you can come along to it and park here as well. I'm a bit sniffly today, swing in the air. So if I sound a bit nasally, you know why. This is very delightful, isn't it? Yes. Nice idyllic place. The journey here was actually amazing from where we're staying. And it started to rain, which means I'll have to get the GoPro out in a bit, but we'll see. The air is very fresh. It's very, what's the word? Just... exhilarating. Yeah, I'm nice and wet. Not too hot. Oh, there's a cow there. Look at it. Yeah, it's not hot, which is nice. It's nice for walking. And waterfalls are always better when it's been raining, so yeah. Oh, little baby cow. So, we have some nice toilets on the route. Don't think I'll be going on those though. Right, we have some crazy ass litter going on, which is not appreciated by me. That is actually vile. I mean, do people think it's all right to do that? Like, no, it's just outrageous. So we're off to the first, so we're off to the first waterfall, which is at around 400 metres. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying these places in Wales. You know what, I absolutely love Wales. It's just up there. It's just so good. So peaceful today. I can imagine on weekends it's absolutely packed. But yeah, no, it's great. It's lovely to be out here when no one's out here. So it sounds like we're approaching the first waterfall. You can hear it, it's quite loud. Very excited, I'm so excited. So apparently this walk is about 4 miles long, but that includes 4 waterfalls. I mean, you can't go wrong. A mile for each waterfall, right? If you do the maths, it's great. So first impressions, wow, amazing. Very slippy to get down, but no, it's just amazing. It's just idyllic. Just to let you all know, right, that the actual walking route is like up here, you know what I mean? We've actually gone a different route and scrambled down here at the car park, what I give you, on the description box. Scramble down here, very, very slippy, be careful, take your time, but you get amazing views of the waterfall down here and it's just amazing. It's so nice. So now it's time to scramble back up and go into the next 3 waterfalls. I cannot wait. Okay, the walk back up is very, very slippery as well. It's just so slippy when it's wet, obviously. So that's the first one complete. Very, very nice, very impressive. Just amazing. Yeah, apart from falling over near the waterfall, but what can you do? So we're going to follow the red dotted trail next to find the other 3 and see what else there is to offer. But no, it's amazing. Just point out something. I've had a terrible fall today. All green.
Stay there. The green one. Oh dear.
I know. Very sad day. Pour that. Beautiful. Just had a little sit down, catch our breath actually. It's a really nice walk, but I don't know why I was so out of breath today. I don't know what it is. I think maybe it's from yesterday, the driving and the little walk we did yesterday. But I feel really unfit. This is the next path we're going to have to try and face. Yeah, I've already fallen over once today, so I don't want to fall over again. So we're still on the walk to the second waterfall. If you do enjoy waterfalls, there's a beautiful waterfall in North Wales called Waterfalls. Click here to go and watch that video. Absolutely beautiful. So we're just having a little sit down before the next scramble down to the second waterfall. And it's really nice, it's really peaceful. Yeah, love it here. It's beautiful, totally recommend it if you love waterfalls and woodland walks. It's so nice. We're on the GoPro right now because it is starting to rain. Lovely. So the next waterfall is 8 minutes downhill. Wish us luck. Stacey's got the backpack on, and in this backpack there's a drone, Steadicam, camera, and it's really heavy. But we can't use any of the equipment for it. And it's raining. Off we go. Beautiful.
Beautiful little gremlin walking down the steps. Little gremlin. My turn. Getting closer, and closer, and closer, and closer to the girl of my dreams. To the girl
in the backpack.
of my dreams.
What bit in? So on our travel hikes, I know the main aim for hikers is to travel light, but we're the complete opposite. When you have like everything in the backpack, it's just so heavy. The drone, the Steadicam, the camera, GoPro stuff, batteries, it weighs us down. So we've not even started camping yet, and imagine how heavy that's going to be with like camping gear as well. I'm totally not ready for that kind of stuff yet. My gosh. This is such a scramble, and it's going to be so hard going back up. But I'm guessing it's going to be so worth it though. Oh my god, I can already see it. It looks amazing. Nearly at the bottom. Cannot wait to see it. Cannot wait. So beautiful, so beautiful. behind this waterfall, which is amazing. Amazing. So there is quite a lot of space behind the waterfall. You won't fall in, don't slip, but no, it's really good. There's a ledge here to hold on to. More space. So now, yeah, it's time for the... It's okay. It's alright, I'll go. I'll do what I can do. This is the hardest bit now. Walking back up these steps. Yeah. Whew, this is a killer. This is hard. Nearly up now. My days. So the steps we just walked up, there were 170 of them, that's why I was so knackered. And it says to go back to the first waterfall to see the third and fourth. Bit of a weird route, but anyway, let's go. Make sure to go and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. You know, this is a very, very tough walk. Whoops. Kind of a killer actually, on the legs. All I hear is waterfall, I just can't see anything. Here we are at number 3. This is amazing, so beautiful. Okay, so now we are on the small walk, about 200 yards to the fourth waterfall, fourth and final waterfall of today. It's been amazing. It's been so hard. Like really, really hard, man. Like the terrain has been really rocky and it's been slippy, steep. Definitely a fitness test for me today. Let's check the steps. See what comes up. Okay, so 8,000 steps. Not many, but it's been steep. We made it, all 4 waterfalls done. Wet bum. Yeah, we're here. Here we are. Amazing. Beautiful. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's gone really dark. It's gonna rain in a minute, I can just tell. Like, pour it down. But I don't know how long it is to the car. I don't think it's that far now. Definitely needing some food and a pint. Wow. Okay? Yeah. Just climbed to the top of the 4th one. Oh my god. We were down there a second ago. What? The train is a route off. Amazing. Wow. Of that. We are at the top of this valley, I think. Heading back to the car. I think this has to be my toughest walk yet. Not gonna lie, it's been really, really tough. Wow, look at this. Make sure to go and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm knackered. I'm absolutely knackered, guys. This has been a very, very hard walk. Very sweaty. Knackered. Absolutely knackered. So it's forecast to rain here all day, but we've been so lucky once again. It hasn't really rained that much, just drizzled. So we're just on the walk back to the car now. It's been really tough, not gonna lie, probably the most toughest walk I've ever done in my life. Massive headache. The waterfalls are beautiful, but I didn't enjoy the scrambling up like the cliff edge and all the wonky bits of terrain. I didn't enjoy that the most, being honest. Yeah, the waterfalls, going down one, come back up it, that was tough. It was like a lot of steps, so if you're gonna come to this place, just keep in mind that it is really tough. And that's me saying that. I mean, I'm not like I'm not a fit person, but it was so tough. I know people like just stopping up the stairs like out of breath, but no, it's been so hard. Brecon Beacons, we completed it, but hard as hell. Hard as hell. I think it's time for a Mackey's now. Well deserved Mackey's. Mukbang burger, let's go. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!